Happy Sunday, you guys. I hope you're all having a really great week. Today, the kids are coming back and I have just been cleaning since the morning, preparing some stuff for them. Initially, when I woke up, I was like, I'm gonna vlog today, but then I got a little bit lazy and then I was like, I don't know if I wanna vlog, but I was like, you know what, now that everything is clean, I could vlog a little bit. If you're here and you just love my vlogs, thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. Before I, jump and show you guys, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. As you know, Ramadan is around the corner and I've been preparing a lot of content for my YouTube channel and also been really busy, for the launches for Zahraa the Label. So make sure that you are on zahraaTheLabel.com and you're subscribed to our newsletters, because that's where we kind of communicate with you for all of our new collections. And the collections are just so beautiful. They're so gorgeous, the silhouettes. I really hope that you guys enjoy my new pieces that I've come up with, exclusively designed in-house by myself. And if you guys want anything that you want me to create or see, please leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to work on it with my team. Let me show you guys my cute little birds. My birds are just having the time of their life. They are just living in the moment. They're just like dancing and singing and kissing, and they're just like having such a good time, and they're just so freaking adorable. And I was like, haram, I cleaned their cage and everything like that. But I want to show you guys what I did for the kids today. Excuse my nasty pans. I have to get rid of them, which is where I'm going right now. I'm gonna go to Marshall's and spend some money and get some like new pans and whatever. I made the kids za'atar. As you guys know, I share custody, so I have to like prepare food for the week and things like that. But I made the kids za'atar for like school, for if they need lunch. And I also made them these really cute like mini pizzas. The kids really love these. And I literally put some, I'm gonna go pick them up from Arabic school in a little bit. But I literally put some in here for a brown bag for them before we head over to the library. I took some Abe's muffins with me, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, and had it out. And I also wanted to show you guys, I made some chicken lemon rice as well. They love this soup. I also prepared for the kids as well biftek, which is like very thin steaks. And I usually marinate it with garlic and pomegranate molasses and lemon and some 7 spices and salt. And oh my god, it's just so delicious with like fries, and the kids just really love it. And I also took out ground beef to make them hamburgers. So like I have a bunch of different options for them. So haram, they're gonna be really excited for when they come today. A lot of you guys have requested for a house tour, and I know I don't really want to dedicate a whole vlog to my house, so I'm just gonna flip the camera and show you guys my cute little apartment. So here is the kitchen area. It's not really fancy looking right now. I had to set this up for the birds so they can kind of enjoy the view outside. And then this is like the seating area, where we eat and whatever. And then here's the living room area. I'm planning to get a new couch because this one's kind of like getting a little, I don't know what you call it. I just don't like how it pills. I get a lot of questions asking me about my hexagon shelves. These were actually made in here, like in Orange County. Somebody actually did these himself, and it kind of looks something like this. And I'll link a similar option for you guys down below. It's from Amazon, but these were actually custom made by someone here. And yeah. And then the famous mirror. You guys love this mirror. Everybody always asks me about it. It's actually a vintage mirror. So you look at it and it's like really vintagey. It was supposed to like in some lady's Facebook post, and it's like 150 years old in her generation, and I got it for 150 bucks, so it was like a score. And then here's my bedroom. It's not like the coolest bedroom, but like whatever, it kind of like, I guess you could say, works. But yeah, this is kind of where I do my makeup.
Hello, that's me.
And then my new collection pieces, along with like brand deals or things like I need to kind of do. I want to change everything when I get at like a new apartment, but for right now, it is what it is. Here is the bathroom. It's all right, I guess. Washer and dryer are in here. And then, whoops, I just cleaned the whole kids' room, but here's the kids' room. I wanna definitely do a whole upgrade to their bedroom. I wanna like completely redo this whole room. I have their little salah corner over here, as I showed you guys last time in the vlog, and I definitely wanna change this. But yep, this is the little house. And then here's the kids' bathroom. They have their his and hers bathroom, or their own little sinks. And that's it. This is my cute little house tour. Now can I go to Marshall's? Let's go together. Actually, Home Goods. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog, and this vlog is starting out at the library. I just got some books with the kids and we're gonna sit down and we're gonna read. I'm trying to make this like a weekly habit because I want to really strengthen their reading skills, their how to be skills, just the habit of being here. I know I've mentioned that in my last vlog, but I just can't emphasize how important it is to get your kids to love reading. I never grew up loving books like this, but my kids, I noticed they just genuinely love to read. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna really prosper it. And it just makes you feel so good when you see your kid come and read and off technology. So if you need a sign to get your kid off of their iPad or tablet or Nintendo, what is that thing called? My son has it. The Nintendo games or whatever, just Nintendo Switch. Just pick them up and come to the library for an hour every week and say no video games, no nothing, no technological devices, and just read. So stay along with us, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm actually gonna get this book for Hassan. Hassan, I think I would like to do this reading with you today. Good job, okay. Now Hassan's turn. Okay. Alright, now hit done. Oh, one more book, whoops. So the game is that you can't touch the lines.
Okay, it didn't fit. I made a path.
Oh, you can't even touch the yellow lines, okay. Alright, are you cheating? We're gonna head to the park. I have a couple of things missing from my refrigerator, so I'm just gonna jump into Ralph's real quick and grab some like ginger drinks, and I'm also gonna grab some juice and some things for the house real quick.
Can you please bring snacks?
And then yeah, some snacks. I have a lot of snacks at home, but I'll see if I can get a couple more snacks and just kind of like, I guess, enjoy our day. We have like 3 or 3.5 hours till Maghrib comes, so I really want them to enjoy the day. We're gonna take their bikes, some, you know, basketballs and things like that, and just kind of have a good time. We are cooking up some steak subs. The kids will be eating it with this bread that I got. I'm also cutting potatoes. I made chicken lemon rice this morning, and it's just gonna be a really good day, and I'm gonna add the spice for it. All right, so I got the beefsteak, which is like very thin steaks, in our delicious garlic and lemon sauce. The chicken lemon rice soup is heavenly. We got the fries frying, we got this for tea, and then some french fries on the side for our lovely friend who doesn't eat fried foods. And we are gonna head on over to the park in just a bit. So we made it to the park, and it's a beautiful day. Got Batul her bike, got Hassan his cute little, whatchamacallit, his scooter, his basketball, and we're gonna dig in. I got this like little portable cooler.
World Famous.
It's not from World Famous, it's actually from Costco. The fries, the beef, that's for me because I can't have the bread.
Oh, my favorite cake.
Plant-based cheesecake, yum, yum, yum. I can't have the base because it's not gluten-free.
I love that.
The kids'
cake.
sandwiches are here. I got Pamela's gluten-free graham crackers. I just said why not. And I got the kids' yogurt. So they can have it
Yogurt.
with their food, so take that. And then here is some of the other fries for our friend. That's the food for our friend. And then I got these. I'm not sure how I feel about them, but it's better than getting like Coca-Cola. And then that's my chicken noodle soup or chicken lemon rice. I got Z-bars for later. I got ramen for our friend. Okay, so this thing is actually good. I buy this version from Trader Joe's that's very similar. It's more like in a glass bottle, and it's also like sugar-free. And I don't know, I feel like it tastes not bad. I don't drink this every day. It's like once a week stuff. And if I drink, I just drink a little bit.
The last you do that,
I'm buying.
Woo!
there you go.
That's a foul, right? That's a game.
Let your brother play. Stop being silly. I'm gonna attempt to ride my kid's scooter. Feel like a kid again. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. That crow over there, where is he? There, is trying to steal our food. Would you blame him?
No.
Look at these delicious berries.
This is good stuff.
Hassan, are you ready to lose?
Are you ready?
Are you ready to lose? Let's go.
Oh, that was so close. Okay, after this, we're going to check this. Woo! Okay, let's do check now.
What's the check? All right, you guys, as you guys can see, I'm literally a mess. We just got home. Kids are gonna shower. I'm gonna get ready, call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to watch my other videos. I hope you guys can enjoy all of my other vlogs. And as always, let me know what you guys want me to film next. I love you so much wherever you are in the world. Take care, have a good night, and we'll talk soon. And stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.